Experience the Glocucent LED neck reading light, a versatile and convenient accessory for all your activities. Choose from 3 color temperature modes and 6 brightness levels to create the perfect ambience for reading, knitting, camping, or repairing. Enjoy up to 80 hours of non-diminishing brightness with the USB Type-C rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting illumination. Say goodbye to eye strain with the flicker-free and blue light filter design, making it safe for both kids and adults to use. Adjust the supple arms to find the most comfortable angle for your activities, thanks to the ergonomic and hands-free design. Whether you're reading in bed, knitting a cozy blanket, camping under the stars, or repairing household items, this light is your perfect companion. Enhance your experience with the Glocucent LED neck reading light, designed to provide optimal lighting for all your tasks. Get your own Glocucent LED neck reading light today and illuminate your world with comfort and convenience.